Here I have Toyota Yaris, and in this video let me show you how to manage the preferred device settings in Toyota cars. So all you need to do right now is use menu, select here setup, and from list of setup choose phone. Then select preferred device settings. If you would like to use this feature, enable this by using this switcher, and you can select the preferred phones. So if you are using one of the following phones, you can choose. In my case, let me use Galaxy S20. Let me move up this one. You can also select the preferred audio players. Also, let me use Galaxy S20, so let me move up here and let's go back. So right now, the car will try to connect to Galaxy S20 as the main phone and also as the main audio player. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.